Hello my monarchs! In this week's video we have this cute nail set. If you want to see how I did these, continue on watching. I have here my Saviland Gel-X kit I got from Amazon. I'll leave the link down below. It was only $20 and the quality is amazing. I will be using my electric nail filer to file down the tips. In my opinion, it helps with sticking onto your nails better. Now to file down my actual nails with a nail filer, you will see me brush off a lot of the residue from filing down my nails. I make it a very important step so I won't be having any dust on my nails. Grabbing my nail glue to start the front process of applying the tips onto my nails, and I of course grab my curing lamp. Before I start applying my nails, I will be filing down the sides a bit. As you can see, I did mention in my previous video that my middle finger nail tip was a bit too wide for my actual nail, so to fix that issue we have to file down. Now we can get started. Since the nail glue is still brand new, I made sure I took more than 50% of the glue already on the brush off before applying a good coat onto my nail tip. Apply a good decent layer of glue onto tip, place onto nail, making sure it is straight and cure under lamp. I'm going to continue on with the rest of the nails, same method. These are how the nail tips look like. They look beautiful in my opinion, but they are a bit too long for my preference. So I will be using the nail tip cutter the kit came with. Once again, I'll leave the link down below of the kit I got from Amazon. I did use my nail filer to file down the sides as well as making the tips straight because my hand be crooked when I cut the tips down. Now to use my buffer to buff the shine out, it helps to have a nice surface when applying the nail polish. Perfect! Now time to apply the nail polish. I will be using this nail polish from Sally Hansen in the shade Be Iconic number 62. I'm applying that color to my pinky, ring, and thumb finger. For some reason, the nail polish looks washed out compared to in person, but it's more of a lilac color. I did do a couple layers of it to get a stronger color shade. On my ring finger, I decided last minute to add glitter. Not a surprise. For my middle and pointer finger, I will be applying this nude nail polish number 959 I got from Dollar Tree. For my middle and pointer finger, I'm doing these swirl designs with Be Iconic nail polish. I'm using this white nail polish number 402 I got from Dollar Tree to add some thin swirls. I also did grab my nail brush to apply that nail polish. To seal the nail polish, I'm using my Kiss Gel top coat and curing my nails after applying. Now to complete the set, it won't be completed if I don't use my cuticle oil. And this nail set is complete. Let me know in the comments below what y'all think of this set. I appreciate all the comments, all the likes, all the shares, the subscriptions. It really shows love. It honestly motivates me. I know it might sound cheesy, but it really does. So thank you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe. We're almost at 500 subscribers, and I will be doing a giveaway. Not sure of what yet, but let me know of any ideas you guys have. Thank you guys so much for watching. Once again, see you guys next week. Bye!